Lewis Hamilton's dream move to Ferrari has turned into a nightmare, and now the unthinkable is being whispered in the Formula One paddock. Could the seven-time world champion's time in red be cut short? Reports are emerging from Italy that Ferrari is already lining up his replacement, and it's not a big-name star from another team. It's a 20-year-old rookie who has been groomed within Ferrari's own ranks, a driver who has already stunned the F1 world with his talent, and who is now being called the obvious candidate to take one of the most coveted seats in motorsport. The 2025 season was supposed to be the start of a glorious new chapter for Lewis Hamilton, the most successful driver in history, joining the most iconic team in history. But the reality has been brutal. For the first time in his entire Formula One career, Hamilton finished a full season without a single podium finish in a Grand Prix. His only taste of victory came in a sprint race in China, a small highlight in what he himself has called a nightmare year. He ended the season a distant sixth in the Drivers' Championship. But the most damaging statistic is the gap to his teammate. Charles Leclerc, in the same car, finished the year with 7 podiums, outscoring the 7-time world champion by a massive 86 points. The performance gap has been shocking, and it has sent the rumor mill into overdrive. Initially, everyone assumed Hamilton's contract was a simple 2-year deal, ending with the current regulations in 26. But recent leaks from the respected German newspaper Bild have revealed a contract bombshell. Hamilton's deal with Ferrari reportedly runs until the end of the 2027 season, and even includes an option for Hamilton to extend it for another year until 2028. If he sees out that deal, he would be 43 years old. This long-term contract shows Ferrari's huge financial commitment, with a reported salary of over €55 million per year. But a contract doesn't guarantee a race seat if the performance isn't there. And sources inside Maranello are now suggesting that the relationship is already under strain. Team principal Fred Vasseur tried to calm the situation, telling the press, "We need to improve our collaboration with Lewis. He needs to learn how to get the most out of the car. At the same time, we need to better understand exactly what he needs." But despite these public statements, quiet whispers suggest that if Ferrari's 2026 car is not a front-runner, Hamilton could choose to walk away, retiring from the sport at the end of next season. And if that happens, Ferrari has a plan. A very, very good plan. Enter Ollie Bearman, the 20-year-old British sensation who is part of the Ferrari Driver Academy, and whose rise through the ranks has been nothing short of meteoric. This isn't a driver who has slowly worked his way up. This is a driver who has dominated at almost every level, and he has delivered one of the most impressive rookie seasons in recent memory. He finished the year 13th in the championship with 41 points. But that doesn't tell the whole story. He completely outshone his much more experienced teammate Esteban Ocon, a Grand Prix winner. Bearman became the first Haas driver in the team's history to score points in 5 consecutive races, a remarkable achievement in a midfield car. His standout performance came at the Mexican Grand Prix, a race that will be remembered as the moment a rookie announced himself as a future contender. Starting from 9th on the grid, Bearman managed his tires perfectly in the high-altitude conditions, a challenge that has caught out many experienced drivers. He executed a flawless strategy and showed aggressive but fair racecraft, making decisive overtakes. In the final laps, he found himself in 4th place with the Mercedes of George Russell behind him. Under immense pressure, Bearman did not make a single mistake, placing his car exactly where it needed to be, lap after lap, to hold Russell off and secure a result that felt like a victory for the American team. It was a drive that showed a level of race intelligence and defensive skill that is rarely seen in a driver so young, and the people who matter have been watching very, very closely. Günther Steiner, the former team boss who knows a thing or two about driver talent, didn't hesitate when asked to name his Rookie of the Year. "For me, it's Ollie Bearman," Steiner said. He explained how Bearman transformed during the season. "In the first half of the season, I thought he was taking too much risk with the car he had, and therefore he had a few offs. But in the second half of the season, he got rid of them, and it was just like a switch." Steiner was so impressed that he made a bold prediction. "I think for him, the door should be open to Ferrari for 2027. Because if Lewis hasn't got the success he needs to have, I don't think that he continues." And then there is the obvious candidate there for Ferrari. Steiner isn't the only one. Martin Brundle of Sky Sports has also backed Bearman for the top seat. But perhaps the most significant endorsement comes from a man who was instrumental in Bearman's development, Jacques Clear. The veteran engineer, who recently left his role as the head of the Ferrari Driver Academy after more than a decade at Maranello, has worked with legends like Michael Schumacher, Jacques Villeneuve, and Lewis Hamilton himself. He knows what a world champion looks like, and when he talks about Ollie Bearman, his praise is extraordinary. In a recent interview, Clear was asked if Bearman has what it takes to win, His answer was emphatic. "It is still early to say," Clear began, "but at the moment I see no reason why Ollie Bearman cannot become a world champion." When you work with certain drivers, you quickly realize whether they are good but not quite at the level needed to win a title. With Ollie, I have not yet seen anything that makes me think he cannot make it. Clear highlighted Bearman's incredible ability to learn and adapt. He had a terrible start to the year and had a lot to learn, but by mid-season he showed just how good he is and how quickly he learns. Esteban is certainly no amateur, yet Ollie Bearman was almost always just that little bit faster than him. He has the performance and he is extremely intelligent. And with those two qualities, there is no reason why he cannot become a champion in the future. This is why the situation at Ferrari is so fascinating. While Hamilton struggles, the team has a ready-made replacement being polished just a few garages down the pit lane. For Ferrari, Bearman represents the perfect succession plan. He has been in their system since late 2021. He has what many call the Ferrari DNA. He understands the pressure, the politics, and the passion that comes with driving for the prancing horse. Unlike an external star driver, there would be no difficult adaptation period. He could slot in alongside Charles Leclerc, another Ferrari Academy graduate, creating a driver pairing that could lead the team for the next decade. A young, hungry, and incredibly talented lineup, both forged in the fires of Maranello. The pieces are all falling into place. Hamilton's form is a major concern. His long-term commitment is in doubt, and waiting in the wings is a driver who has been endorsed by some of the most respected figures in the sport, a driver who has proven he can handle the pressure, and a driver who is already part of the Ferrari family. The question is no longer if Oliver Bearman will drive for Ferrari, but when, and it could be much, much sooner than anyone thinks. What are your thoughts? Is Oliver Bearman ready to step into Lewis Hamilton's shoes at Ferrari? Can he handle the immense pressure of driving for the most famous team in Formula One? This is why Ferrari's situation is so fascinating. While Lewis Hamilton struggles to find form, Ferrari has a ready-made successor being refined just a few garages down the pit lane. Bearman has been part of the Ferrari system since 2021. He understands the pressure, the politics, and the passion that comes with driving for the prancing horse. Unlike an external star signing, Bearman wouldn't need time to adapt. He could slot in seamlessly alongside Charles Leclerc, another Ferrari Academy graduate, forming a young, hungry, and immensely talented pairing capable of leading Ferrari for the next decade. The pieces are all falling into place. Hamilton's form is a serious concern. His long-term future is uncertain. And waiting patiently in the wings is a driver backed by some of the most respected voices in Formula One. The question is no longer if Oliver Bearman will drive for Ferrari. It's when. And that moment may arrive far sooner than anyone expects. What do you think? Is Oliver Bearman truly ready to step into Lewis Hamilton's shoes at Ferrari? Can he handle the immense pressure of driving for the most famous team in Formula One? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to click the video on your screen right now.